How to create PDF files in Python. I'm working on a project which takes some images from user and then creates a PDF file which contains all of these images. Is there any way or any tool to do this in Python? For example, to create a PDF file or EPS, PS, from image 1 plus image 2 plus image 3, PDF file?
I suggest pip. It works really nice. I also wrote a blog post some while ago. You can find it here.
Here is my experience after following the hints on this page. Pip can't embed images into files. It can only split and merge. Source, Ctrl+F through its documentation page, which is great, but not if you have images that are not already embedded in a PDF. pip2 doesn't seem to have any extra documentation on top of pip. ReportLab is very extensive. User guide, however, with a bit of Ctrl+F and grepping through its source, I got this. First, download the Windows installer and source. Then try this on Python command line. All I needed is to get a bunch of images into a PDF, so that I can check how they look and print them. The above is sufficient to achieve that goal. ReportLab is great, but would benefit from including hello worlds like the above prominently in its documentation.
I suggest Pkit. Installation Guide. It creates PDF from HTML files. I chose it to create PDF in 2 steps from my Python pyramid stack. Rendering server-side with Mako templates with the style and markup you want for your PDF document, executing, pkit.from_string ... method by passing the rendered HTML as parameter. This way you get a PDF document with styling and images supported. You can install it as follows. Using pip. Pip install Pkit. You will also need to install Hailtopt on Ubuntu.
FPDF works well for me. Much simpler than ReportLab and really free. Works with UTF-8.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.